everyone, and welcome to How to Excel with Excel. And in today's lesson, we will be teaching you guys how to apply a filter. Now, this is a super cool trick that Excel has where, for example, instead of scanning for hours of your data to find specific lines that you need, there's a filter function where you can just put a filter on the table by selecting the entire table that you want it on. So you can go ahead and press Control Shift to skip and select to the last cell on the right using your right key while holding down the Control and Shift. And then you will keep holding down that Control and Shift and click down arrow to go to the last cell before the next space. Then once you have selected your entire table that you want to apply a filter to, you'll click Alt A T. Once you click the filter button, let's say we want to filter for anyone named Bob, and it'll automatically filter that line for us. So it's a really cool trick, and to clear your filters, you will select Alt A C to clear. So you now know how to apply a filter and how to clear a filter using some really cool shortcuts in order to help you with your file. Now, one thing you do want to be careful of is if you have an empty row in between your data and you only apply your filter on the headers, it will not recognize anything after the empty row in your filter. So for example, let's filter for Rachel. You will see it cannot recognize Rachel because she is after the table. So you want to always make sure that you select your entire table and then add your filter. So now you are able to search for Rachel. Well, hope this helps you guys. So please let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section, and happy excelling!